The 2023 Pillar Award was presented to Court Pendleton at the 3rd Annual Utah Veteran Unite Conference. The event honored veterans during National Veteran Small Business Week in Hurricane. Akita Marcorlier, the Small Business Regional Administrator, said veteran-owned businesses play a major role in the American economy.
The U.S. Small Business Administration is celebrating our veterans and their dreams as they start and grow their businesses. We have a number of partners on the ground helping your veteran-owned small business start and grow. To get more information, go to sba.gov and find your local resource.
To learn more about what business resources are available, read the story. This is Stephanie DeGraw, reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.